Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. As I said in the end of my previous vlog, I've been doing online shopping and I got a few packages, so I figured I could open them with you guys today. They're sitting back here. Also, before I do that, I want to show you my set. I also said in the last vlog, I showed this at work and I was like, I think it's so cute and I think I need it. And then I put on the screen, I was like, I got it. But look how cute this is. I'm pretty sure we have one small top and bottom left. I have a small on. It is roomy. You can definitely size down. So I will link this down below if you guys want it. Okay, we are going to start. Actually, I'm going to try to get a thumbnail before I do this. Okay, got my thumbnail. We should be good. This lighting cooperates. So, the first thing I ordered was from Luca and Grae. If you don't know what Luca and Grae is, it's Aspen Ovard's online boutique. First off, her box is so cute. It says, hello there, you have great taste. Like that is, that's so cute. And then on the inside, on the lid, it says modern, bohemian, and effortless, which also is very cute. But then she's got the wrapping paper, which is just so cute too. I love it. I still have her wrapping paper from when I got my shorts that I ordered from her. I got a dress and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I actually got this for my brother's graduation and as everything's looking right now, his graduation probably will not be happening. So I have this really cute dress that I'm just going to wear. I'm not sure where. This is what it is. What is it called? It is called These Days White Dress, and I got a small, just a basic white dress. I don't know how the straps are gonna be, but I figured I could just sew them down more to make it shorter. But it is ribbed, and I think this would be so cute with some wedges and then just a denim jacket. So that was my plan on wearing it. We'll see if that happens or not with everything that's going on. I don't know. And then also this little card, it came in, it just says Luca and Grae, and then if you have to return it, how to do that on the back. So that was the first thing that I got. Oh, I guess I could say, oh, it doesn't say the price, its tag is just Luca and Grae. I got it when they were having their online warehouse sale, so I think I got 30% off of it, but shipping was $12, so all my discounts went right back into the shipping. And then the next thing I got is actually from a local store downtown. She's actually related to Danette and Danita, so the owner and the manager of the boutique that I worked at for T23. And it's Desiree's Makeup and Beauty Lounge. I'll show this. And I think a business card came in here too, so I can show you that too. But she has these makeup pouches, and it's called the Makeup Junkie bag. If you watch Shark Tank, these are on Shark Tank. It's just like a really nice inside, and then you can put so much makeup in here, and then you can just open it up and it's like all in there. And so I figured for traveling this would be nice, because where's the normal makeup bag that I normally take with me? Because I normally use this bag for all my makeup, and like it's huge and it takes up a lot of space in my suitcase. Not that I'm gonna be going anywhere right now, because you know the world's like in a crazy thing going on with the coronavirus, so I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. But whenever I do travel, I figured this would be really good for me to get my makeup in. You kind of like wipe the inside out. It's like a vinyl, which I thought was really nice, so if something like spills in there, you're fine. I can link these down below too on her website if you want to buy one. This is her information for everything. And the other side of the note says that, so just a little thank you. I thought that was cute. But then if you ordered within a certain date, you got a free gift. So I got this Longest to Last, so it's a little mini mascara from Jane Iredale, if I'm saying that right. And then I also got a facial primer and brightener, which I'm excited. I love primers, so I'm excited to get that too. But this is the brand for that. And just came in this little thing. So that's everything that I've got in the mail. Didn't do much today. I actually went to the chiropractor, and now I'm probably not gonna go for a while now. I'm just gonna stay at home. Actually, can I just sit down and talk to you? Is that easy for me to do? So I did that, and then we supported a pizza place here in town and went and picked up some pizzas, and we're cooking them right now in our oven. So it's kind of just a chill day. at home this morning. Well, actually the past few days I've really gotten into Kendall Rae's videos. I normally don't have time to like watch full-time TV shows, or if a video is over like 15 minutes, like I just don't have time to watch it because I've got homework, or I've got to do YouTube stuff, or I'm working on a break. Like I have stuff I need to do. So I've been watching a lot of her videos, and then I watched a lot of O.J. Simpson videos, which led me to start watching the Kardashians on Hulu, which I normally always watch the Kardashians, but I haven't been recently because I just have so much going on. And so I was catching up on that, and I think I'm gonna start reading a book today too. I'm just gonna wait for my pizza to be done, and I'll update you guys whenever that is and whenever I'm doing something entertaining next. I don't really know how these vlogs are gonna go because like I'm at home doing nothing. Like, is people even gonna be interested to watch this? I don't know, but I'm vlogging it anyway. Okay, I have a sports bra, so ignore that, but this is the dress on. Needs to be washed. It has some dents in it. I don't even know if I have to really sew the straps. I feel like I could maybe one just to bring it up a little bit more, but yeah, I think it's really cute. Add a denim jacket, maybe a hat. Could wear my new hat, and it'd be so cute. So I just wanted to show you guys, I put everything, well, my makeup that I use like on a daily basis in here. Still haven't cut the tag off, but it's just like so handy. Like it just stays open. You can just grab, like you can see all of it. It's not like in a bag. Obviously, like there's still a whole bunch of room for my brushes. I just didn't want to take them all out of the cups over there. This thing is so nice. I got the medium size. I don't think I said that before, but they come mini, small, medium, and large, and I got the medium. I probably could have done a large if I was going somewhere where I wanted to bring like a bigger palette, but this is like my everyday palette, so fits in there really well. I'm back. I just took a shower, washed my hair. It's like I got it colored beginning of February, I think. Yeah, beginning of February. And it's already starting to like grow out. And I'm like, no. Even though I don't really care, I'm gonna be at home for a while, so it's fine. I did make myself some ula tea though. You can see the tea bag. I never know, are you supposed to leave the tea bag in there after you steep the tea, or do you take the tea bag out? I'm not sure. I made lean. It's like a, I don't know, it said on the package pineapple ginger, but it tastes really good. It doesn't taste too gingery. It doesn't taste like pineapple-y. I don't know, it tastes like tea. I can link Willa Tea down below. Boutique's still offering free shipping. They actually just posted on Instagram that they're closing their stores. They are going to be doing curbside pickup, but they're going to be closed, which I think is for the best. The city of Bismarck just put out like a thing saying all non-like important businesses like medical, stuff like that, close. Wow, this lighting just got way better because I turned my computer screen on. I'm just gonna watch some Hulu now. So me and Easton share a Hulu. I gave him my login. So I saved a bunch of stuff, but then now all his stuff is saved, and then he was watching Lego Masters, Bob's Burgers. That's one thing I like about sharing stuff with him, is like I can, oh, he's watching The Bachelor. Because I can like see what he watches, which is funny. Same with Spotify. He uses my Spotify too. He has like an Apple Music that he uses, but sometimes things come out on Spotify before they come out on there. And so I let him use my Spotify. I'm like, my year wrapped. It's like I go through and listen to songs, and I'm like, I've never heard this song before, and it's one that he listened to. I think I'm just gonna watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I think I am going to end this video here just because I'm probably going to film other videos tomorrow, and I feel like this video is already kind of long. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short, basic kind of haul vlog sort of video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more vlogs, definitely let me know. If you have other videos you want me to do, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!